Project management is a popular term, but what does it actually mean? It is the use of specific skills, tools, and resources to achieve all project goals within a timeline. To succeed in any project, you need to know 4 things: what your project goals are, how you're planning to achieve them, what resources you will need, and finally, how much time it will take you to reach your goals. Sounds easy? Yes, if your project is to do grocery shopping. Not so much if your project goal is to launch a spaceship. A project management lifecycle consists of 5 phases, including initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closure. Initiation. In this stage, you define project goals, the project constraints, budget, expected timeline, and identify people who will be involved in the project. Planning. The second phase of project management is the most crucial as you lay out the project's roadmap. You need to estimate costs and define scope and key deliverables. Project execution. The project execution stage is where the actual work is done. As a project manager, your task is to allocate the right resources and keep your team members focused on their assignments. Monitoring. This phase runs simultaneously with project execution and ensures that objectives and project deliverables are met. Closure. In this phase, you need to review the entire project and contemplate on the successes and the failures during the project. If you want to simplify your project management process, cut costs, and achieve better results in less time, try Bittrex24, free project management software for your company.